Hey guys, welcome back to Vintage American Cars. In today's video, we've got an awesome lineup of 10 classic cars, all priced under $10,000. These beauties range from 1930s barn finds to hot rods ready for restoration. If you're into history and vintage cars, you're gonna love this list. As always, these are live Craigslist ads, so check the description for the links if you're interested. Let's dive in. 1. 1936 Mlo Buick Victoria, $9,000, Shakopee, Minnesota. First on the list is a 1936 Mlo Buick Victoria, a rare Canadian version of the Buick Special, built by McLaughlin, a company that was later integrated into General Motors. Under the hood, this classic has the original 233 cubic inch straight 8 engine, paired with a 6-volt system. It's been upgraded with an alternator, new brakes, and a 2-chamber master cylinder. The car's paint has seen better days, but the body is solid, a perfect car for someone looking to restore a piece of history. 1949 Willys Jeepster, $8,000, West Plains, Missouri. Next up, we have a 1949 Willys Jeepster, an iconic post-war model known for its rugged charm. The Jeepster was one of the few convertible vehicles Willys ever made, and it retains much of its original features, including the L134 engine and 3-speed transmission with overdrive. The interior and floor mats are all original and well-preserved, a great piece for any Willys enthusiast or someone looking to own a part of Jeep's history. Three 1934 Pontiac Sedan, $9,500, Stillwater, Oklahoma. Here's a project with history. This 1934 Pontiac Sedan was being restored by a Vietnam vet, but sadly, he passed away before completing it. This 4-door beauty has suicide doors and comes partially restored. It's a great project car for anyone looking to complete the dream he started, and with a solid body, this one's well worth the investment. Not for 1946 Ford Sedan, $8,000. If you're into hot rods, this 1946 Ford Sedan with a 1942 body and 46 front clip is ready for you. Powered by a 350 SBC engine and Muncie 4-speed transmission, this car has plenty of upgrades, including 4-wheel disc brakes and a new gas tank. It's not the prettiest, but this car runs and drives, offering the perfect base for a custom build or rat rod project. This 1930 Ford Model A 4-door sedan, $6,000, Walthall, Nebraska. A classic 4-door Model A sedan from 1930 is next on the list. This car has had a lot of work done already, with a rebuilt engine and new parts throughout. While it still needs interior work and some finishing touches, it's a solid driver. The Model A remains one of the most iconic cars from the early Ford lineup, known for its reliability and timeless design. Six, 1936 Chevy Sedan, $6,900, Williamstown, New Jersey. A true barn find, this 1936 Chevy Sedan has its original straight-six engine and 3-speed manual transmission. It even comes with extra parts and a 12-volt lighting package that needs to be installed. A rare opportunity to own an all-original piece of pre-war Chevrolet history. Seven, 1938 Pontiac two-door hot rod, $8,600, Miami, Florida. For those looking for a hot rod project, this 1938 Pontiac two-door sedan might be what you're after. Equipped with a Chevy 350 engine and Corvette rally wheels, this car has already undergone some serious modifications. It's not road ready yet, but with some brake work and TLC, you could turn this into a fantastic street rod. Eight, 1941 Packard 120 Sedan, $6,900, Wallingford, Connecticut. Here we have a 1941 Packard 120 Sedan, one of the last models built before the U.S. entered World War II. Known for its luxury and smooth ride, the Packard 120 features a straight-eight engine and solid build quality. This one is in good shape and is a great candidate for restoration or a modified build. Nine, 1941 Ford two-door sedan, $6,600, North Reading, Massachusetts. The 1941 Ford two-door sedan was one of the last cars produced before Ford shifted to wartime production. This particular car is running a flathead V8 with a rebuilt carburetor and new fuel pump. It needs some window replacements and a little cosmetic work, but it's a solid driver with plenty of life left in it. 10. 1941 DeSoto Custom, $7,900, East Haddam, Connecticut. Last but not least, we have a 1941 DeSoto Custom. With its original flathead 6-engine and fluid drive transmission, this DeSoto is a survivor car with just 34,000 original miles. The clutch sticks a bit, but the car starts and runs, making it a great candidate for restoration. DeSotos are becoming harder to find, and this one is a solid example of pre-war American luxury. That wraps up today's list. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to check the description for links to each ad, and if you're interested in any of these cars, act fast before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more vintage car finds.